Hi YouTube. So this is my repair, service and slight modification of a Pioneer Stereo Amplifier SA-740. Oh, the background here is a little noisy, so I'll see what I can do. So when I received this amplifier receiver, it was working, but there were some problems with it. First of all, it was overheating badly. Secondly, transformer was the wrong transformer, power transformer in it, so it was receiving the wrong voltages. And thirdly, the speaker terminals on the back were damaged, broken off. These are the ones that I replaced. To join the wires to it. And whoever repaired this before apparently didn't know too much about what they were doing. So take a look at all the parts I had to change. This RCA jack was broken off, the screw down terminal. Some of the outputs were the wrong ones, and also some resistors, other components were not the correct ones, and some out of spec. Most of the capacitors were good, and I replaced a few. It's working now. Now the overheating problem I experienced with this amp, I had to do a little modification to the circuit. And what I did, this amp does not have any DC offset bias adjustment, and so there's no potential on the meter that I could adjust to adjust the transistor turn on current. So what I did was I downloaded the schematic, the service manual, and originally this schematic or amplifier had no thermistors. So what I did, I added in these two thermistors, this one and this one, to control the overheating issue that I was experiencing with this amp. Right now the amp is running very cool. And also, whoever worked on this before, the protection circuit, this relay, was removed completely and the whole circuit was bypassed. So I reinstated the circuit, placed a protection relay, troubleshooted the protection circuit and got it back working properly. So that if I switch off the amp, I pour it back on, you can hear the protection relay click in. Let me do it one more time. This time I'll do it without the volume on. Right. And this took me a few days to get parts and get everything sorted out. And this was in terrible condition when I now just received it. Absolutely terrible, filled with dust. And I still have to do some more work with it, clean it up on it, but it's working and it's working properly. Right now I'm just using auxiliary inputs, feeding input signal. I'm just using a phone to play some music. plays surprisingly clean, and from where it came, it works great. The output power is 40 RMS per channel, and sounds good. This replacement transformer that I replaced this one. The original schematic has 40 volts by 2, so that's a dual 40 volt transformer. This transformer is a 35 volt transformer. That's what I had on hand, so I'm using it and it works. And it works well. And it's close to the original size of the original transformer as well. Although I had to modify the base plate a little to get it bolted down, but it works. Okay, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to see more.